Bagusima spimbi muno sana sukira chinga kichino gochaga mu kwa times. Botame ngo batebinde nganje kinda se bakandi yo yumanyite. Negete Nairobi gaiga ngali yo yumaite Dr. Joseph Rundu muno sana mwishimiwa sukira chinga kichiago gocha mu kwa times.
Asante, thank you.
Botambe kire nkuligi you accept to come on board.
Yes.
That humility is on another level. Tianya sago sesen.
Asante bro. Thank you so much. Omaite mbiago support you also. Omaite online platform needs when people give you support, even participating unanacha. Yes.
Nalenge ke umbungo tara abantu kumbe mamaite. Wakambulunga ikwere birundo. Usieko kalambara kwa for some days.
Yes, taken a small break. I've been there actually from February. Continuously, yes. I stayed for the first time in my career. This is the first time now very consecutively. 3-4 months no onde Gusii. So I needed a small break nandela anywera. Nani aliyonko manyangole na inje na ngole utali na inje.
Ora observe.
Da observe ground. And it has shown me the 2-3 months na lenge Gusii. We know wait.
Taibo.
Korugoro. Pakanse aneresia mangana change. Mpaka asende kosi abajumbe wa MC tina participate mono kwa manya but kururo mpakanse togocha komesi esuti toirete saa moja njubiri.
Omaite na kubulri kole manifesto ogantebinga gukoira free education ya River Church na kubulri ya ningo abantu mbakumaite lero nakoleta gankubuli one simple thing iwa join Linda Mwananchi.
Linda Mwananchi, you know, it is one and the same thing in opposition in general, where we come from. 20 people whatever one term, particularly balito torase understanding inga ya bora imbole mete asense ya ito ya Kenya. So bono basically asoko igu montago tena venga kwa lo sirio gotera kwa igu montunaro gotera kwa gese mpaka ora soro ora ora tegerera na ndengo sembantumbu ya bako chongelie gotero kubatia na aliere iri Linda Mwananchi ideology itobwate tibuna antotore jubiri neyemo na ande kero gotegerera imekwa igungango kwa na balo mwana itu kwa ndolo kwa witness rende na kibago kwa na kikiangireta alithika.
So far representation ase Linda Mwananchi yaba Gusii ya chire gorobia sana.
Yes.
Is that an assurance inga kunya kompatole munyaleta O'Matiangi?
Omanyete, just to be honest, President Teio presidential candidate or like the credentials Freddy Abugate. Yeah. To be fair, kia kwano. Na bora ore package gete njena arengo kuru 1980 sinyarebe but origere liga ngai to etani no nase tianya cha yaringe. Level yae. Acceptable. Na arenge thika. Igakwa nituga andu bagakuna.
Kerba kwa na Matiangi nyonga ko buteba ngo mutumire.
Yes. You know, initially we had not talked about Fred. Well, Marenda akanyora libaga in the process ye program. Tojikero montale go yakire kokolena gukoni abantu. Bono monto Fred olengali moimo. Bono kraikere tu agakwanelia Fred. Moiko nkwalo jegeta ateba nande mokolega sina wa munyoro onda gaswa gateba njiro mukamba no torabu abali ba western bagateba one time no torabu so kreika se na intu agokwanerwa ense yakura nete sana powerful so na intu bono that environment ya no we belong there as well. So Linda Mwananchi, Jubilee and 20 sabalna ya motore
indimo kwa na Gusii.
Gusii, I'm not really in the middle of things, but into bugate sabali ya Gusii 2026. Turacha kire sabali ya saange. Tutaliro mwano ito kebagendi, musire. Tutalire chikanisa aliankenke, tukwani abantu baitu sabali erego. Lakini lende kero turabu, na boto konya kukwana lende ngana into bugate ito lende.
Now, Linda Mwananchi tiatwera Gusii. In the meantime, boni conversation ngasene ya Busongo novo governor. Ngayurae.
O governor jeno munyabali bali. Kindu munyali bali. Besides anything else, tuwate candidate yotenena koroku Ezekiel Majogombaki. So nje as a person una birundu. I have Majogu pakengoli nere we kora kaneta iyo. Then within the structure ya Jubilee tubwatata aspirants momoima olomosani one sana ngotenenale mbato koseri confusion bamanyenga kwigwana na majugu to support kali majugu tebe ngochia nonda
igo totebenga baigwana na baikaransa batebe who is going to be the candidate
na wala to make confusion because actually ngende baro tingebwate majugu na momoima al not vote
ogotiga
bono lende what are we doing
kekyo
yeah
to go lose
yeah oyo more has to see the ground abatutenga kibarengerereti ogambi obobwe county no bwabo ni nawo kabarange kuboira yes
Present ntonyore tumongwana mu munyali bali mu MCO itetu sana na ichuguni gali busongo amana ichuguni umeshimiwa yakutosha twakora.
Yeah, it's very painful. Just for lack of a better word, it is shameful. Uno Gusii nganto itana singenjo ya differences in opinion in Kenya. Because beyond chikura uranyala nile mambi O'Matiangi na alati twensi pino Gusii nemeze motole tukale kukwana buna abagere kwandu walwanetega Luhuru na Ruto yani Ruto na Raila bakanya bale meze we didn't have a way bantu bali balinga koramana oranyande kwarwanirio nande nere muikalaste nere mugukwanira ntekam so it's really very very dangerous ko itera manyinga mora bantabamo
alibo
yes particularly muntu mwaragire nere nyomba umuntu tali criminal umuntu mo ko differ differences to what no into muna to nyali bali ngambugate mambi nkale ko ita Zaire. It will be very painful. I can't go that route. But again, you realize abantu mbaro politically bako indicate ya sabana bali bago kolana bunga ki yaya nonye tole kwerendeye tali sekitole yaya we are one. Let me tell you, for instance, I'm very close to Zaire all these years. He is my friend.
Okay.
He knows me. I know him. Ninja Mumaida, in fact, more than some of these things and kwa no muzani one. Then imanya organize abantu bachiko mubwate myoyo. That is not the way we want to do this thing. It's a contest where if he wins, we give him another term. If we win, not if, because I'm seeing this one yora lile tamu ego chanean anjange ngaki yeah na ndogenderera gukora igo wekero to gukora correction sito komote yaya mwana minto gaki kuharagire miaka ene gaki paranga yere cause twanyerorire bugirango it wakes him up yeah igaro ya mubukiga bono bubekanga twachagite 2022 we were given him 4 years akoregas takoreti bono kero wege twakwanira matukabiro chakire gobuka we will still say nga na kuna mete para aki omano minto make sure ya ile totaraenda chikura because into gito opposite into will not see the road kwa osiri but I can tell you for 4 years at least na rarake narara 4 years yaya
boni gakonyanga jari
there's no what kilometer akiko ikalanse committee area cross chipara. It's not me saying it is evident akiko no mozani onore ndio 2022 I voted for you, I supported you, he knows how I supported him but kakito ikire ngakie para yoka yeah. The same we are not fight, we cannot fight Okengo is also my brother Korue Kenyore Kamoto Korua. In fact, to make it worse, we come from the same not only the clan enyombe yemo
ayeno Okengo nyamba
yes original nje na mabiri to ruwe twins
na kimocha okora
koji aneno wala mabiria omondo njogo de ya kwanza yebona no mumeru wana wa minto no I don't dictating akinko ba lakini moyo ngaikiguno mogago minto ngasina ikire
nkagusia la kibakoro kumeru
bona no torabu bona mate siasa yebwate kero monta kwerwanire siasa I can tell you we come actually for all these aspirants ninje bwe kana amenyire gali understand it to our problems okay ngotara amenye kenyoro gelia manyenga ito no to ni litoka alitarage anjere alito menyeto intu so you Zaire tara amenya ali nyali bale amenyete town tara manga kibinyoro ibire utara amenene mu town mate aseketaria in fact Zaire amenyeta alimbo ketutu amenyete mate tutu alimbo Okengo boketutu which other candidate Tongi has been there. We gave him a chance. Chitamu vile karali pension. Karali pension. We want you to come and guide. And you can a higher league. Umaite tongi na tu batazo yetu taluta mageno jeto kundanya como address because he can be our cabinet secretary.
Mami enyo nero sabe school.
Alabange binto bikaiga 20 tumna togo kora na majogu oze momo imavuna togo kora nero mogavana. So tongi can be anything. So we wouldn't, but what he cannot be takuba mujumbe. Alikora atwarao tora test. Pension ya ikisa ni rengi nando cha kuligiana.